Hello friends, welcome to a new video on Solidworks sketching. So I know I've not been consistent for the past few days. So I'll try to be consistent from now onwards. Today we'll be making the sketch of three parts. So let's start by double clicking on this part. Then so the part which we are going to draw today is this one. You can take a screenshot right now, or I'll also share these questions in my Instagram, and I'll link my Instagram handle in the description. So or you can take a screenshot right now. So let's start. So the first step is in changing the unit. Over here I am changing the unit to mmgs. And then let me sketch. I have a screenshot so that I'll not have to go to that window again and again and again. So I've changed the unit. I'll sketch in the front plane. It's oriented normal to the front plane. And so I'll choose this line tool and draw a central line so that I can mirror it later on. So after drawing this line, if you click on this switch, then you can make it a construction geometry. So let me take the sketch tool again. How did I take the sketch tool right now? I didn't go there. I didn't move my pointer to this part to take the sketch tool. I told how to set this up in a previous video. Uh, it's this mouse shortcuts over here. You can go to this line or maybe some other tools like dimension. What you have to do is you have to click on the right mouse button and then drag like this. So how to set this up? I've told you in a previous video, but still I'll show that one more time. Over here, I think it was in customize and menus and mouse gestures. Yeah, mouse gestures. You can customize the mouse gestures over here. You can make it 8 gestures, 4 gestures, 3 gestures. I think the default was 4 gestures. I made it 8 gestures. And if you want to interchange some of these things, then you can. Actually, in 8 gestures, it was not the central line over here. I made the central line. So let's make if you okay, what if you did mess things up? You'll not break anything. You can always reset to defaults. If I click reset to defaults, this will ask me, this will delete all the user defined mouse gestures and reset the factory defaults. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, right now it's 4. I'll make it 8. Now I need the center line over here. How did I do that the other day? Okay, I'll search center line over here. Center line. Central line is seen. So you may not have noticed it, but actually I paused the video recording, screen recording, and figured how to do it. Actually, it's simple. You just have to type your CNT ERLIN center line. When I tried the first time. Okay, now we go to central line. We just have to drag it and drop it in the place where you want the shortcut. Okay, and then click on OK. Now you got it. So let's continue with our sketch. So okay, it's something like this, and like this I could mirror the remaining, but still I think this is easier. Okay, now I have something in the inside. How did I take the sketch tool? I did the shortcut mouse gesture. Ta-da. Okay, now let's go and make this part over here. Okay, now they have given us a few dimensions. Hmm. I didn't go here and take this dimension from here, small dimension from here. I just use this mouse gestures up arrow. Mouse gesture up arrow. I'm in the dimension. If I want to exit, then again do the same thing. Okay. So it's 10 over here. It's 10 over here and 10 over here. And then it's a 30 from here to here. I told you how to make such a dimension in the previous video. That's 30, and then that's a 30, then what is left? This is 15. Oh, ho, 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 ho. This is this horizontal? Yes, it is horizontal because this line is horizontal. Okay, yeah, everything is horizontal. So I have to dimension between these two. That over there is 15, 15, 15. Yeah, 15. And after that, uh, I have that thing to be 20. This thing over here is 20. Okay, we got something like this. Now I need to make this and this equal. I didn't dimension that to be 10 because I like giving relations to define the sketch. Then what did I miss? Have this 20 over here. Oh, this over here is 30. Okay, and this from here to here is 80, and here to here is 80. How will I do that? Should I make a dimension from here to there? No, because if you want to change the dimension later on, you will have to change two dimensions. So what I do is I'll just exit from the dimension tool and select this line and press the control key in Windows and command in iOS, and then select this, and over here in the left hand side you can see this vertical. Oh, not vertical, actually collinear. Collinear means both of them will lie along a straight line. So right now if you look at this place you can see that the sketch is fully defined. So the only thing which is left is we have to mirror it. We have to select all this and this. Oh, come on. So I'm going here, selecting this mirror entities, and from the left I'm dragging from here to here. Everything is selected. I don't want this line to be selected. And mirror about this axis. So look at this. Here is a copy. So what will happen if I untick this copy over here? Let me try. I know what will happen, but still you can find out now. If I press OK, now it's not copied to the other side, just shifted. Oh my god, how will I go back? You just have to press Ctrl Z. You'll get that back. Or you have this undo over here. You can click this undo button. And now I'll mirror it along this. I'll select all the sketch elements, and then I'll select mirror about. Should I select this copy? Yes, because I don't want this thing to disappear. Okay, so that's it for that. So after making the sketch, what you should do is you should just arrange the dimensions properly, so that if someone else is checking your dimensions, then they'll not feel like, oh my god, who made this such a very clusterous sketch. I'm trying my best to arrange this in a proper way. Okay, maybe you are able to uh, arrange the dimensions even better than me. I'm also in the progress of learning. Okay, that's it. The first sketch is over. So friends, after having a closer look in the retention time of my previous videos, I think that's enough for this video, and in the next video we'll sketch more. And maybe right now it's very simple stuff like sketching. Later on I'll continue and make harder and harder videos. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like, and follow in Instagram will be nice. Okay, thank you for your time.